Right, so let's design something from scratch. Let's look at templates and see what we're going to do. So I use it, and I think a lot of people watching this, and tell me what you're using it for. I can give you some ideas. I can maybe make a separate video for you. But I use it for YouTube thumbnails. So I think if you type in here, YouTube thumbnail, right? And we're going to get some ideas. How to stay healthy. You know, do you want this bold where you can put a picture of you? Is it a travel vlog that you want to put in? Something like this. Game strategies. Morning motivation. So you can see there's lots and lots and lots of different templates that you can get ideas from that you can quickly edit your to your needs, right? So let's say you're doing a vlog or something like this. Let's go with this one. How to stay healthy this summer. So it's going to automatically drop all that information in, right? And you can change everything here. You can change the squiggle. You can change the colour. So what colour do you use here? I use blue. I want to change this background here to this blue. How to stay healthy. I can go up here. Change the font. You know, I use Fredoco 1. I could change the writing. Let's change it to winter. You know, I can easily log in. Doesn't quite fit, does it? So let's just try and get that on. There you go. Resize it. You can obviously change this image. That's not me. So I can go to my uploads here and see my past uploads. And find a picture. There you go. I actually use this for something I did when I messed up on the internet. How to stay healthy this winter. And I can send that to the back, right? Position to the back. Maybe move this across a bit. I want it to be a little bit more over that line. Oh, no, other way. That way. I want it to be almost. That's it. I might want to make it bigger. I might change this because that picture. Command Z. I might change this to don't make my mistakes. Not gonna fit, is it? Mistakes. This. Yeah. And I can go up here, highlight all this, edit. In fact, what you can do now is actually just change the size of one word. Don't make my mistakes this year. You know, if you've got any other stuff in here, you've got any other logos. Where's my logo? See, I use it all the time. You know, you can see all the things that I've used. It's quite interesting going back for the past of things that I've tried to do with Canva. And you know, you go back through your history of pictures you've added and things you've tried to use. I'm looking for my name here in black. The only thing that you can't really do is search past logos or past images, and you cannot re-upload it. But come on, I'm looking for a black. See, everything I've done, obviously I've used it for years. I've only paid for 1 month, and that was just to trial the teamwork. Holy crap, I must have gone past it. Oh, there it is. The minute I say I must have gone past it, here it is, right? So I could put in my logo, stick it in, and you're done, right? And that's it. You download it. You probably want to do it as a JPEG file for YouTube because the PNG is a little bit too big. You could use the PNG, but you'd have to resize it. And here you go. Here's my YouTube thumbnail done within what? 10 minutes, 5 minutes? Not even that, right? So easy to use, so cool to use, right? And you can rename that as well. You can rename it up here. Paul's 2019 mistakes. And you can post that to Facebook. You can post it to whatever you're going to post it to, Twitter. But as you say, that now for the video that I'm going to make is my YouTube thumbnail, right? Really cool.